Hey YouTube, this is Alexander, and Google has a pretty solid track record of releasing new chat apps into their pool of existing chat apps, and Duo is no exception, but it is a little different than previous ones, so let's talk about it. So Duo is Google's simple new video chat app for Android and iOS. Now the setup process is a bit different than previous video chat apps from Google, since Duo only needs your phone number instead of your Google account, which makes it very inviting for iOS users, but a bit of a letdown for those on tablets. Oh, and since it uses your phone number, you can only be signed into one device at a time. So if you switch devices frequently, you'll have to set it up again each time, which to be honest though doesn't take very long. Now aside from those minor annoyances, Google actually has a pretty solid foundation here with Duo, since the app is very easy to navigate and use. Upon opening, you'll immediately see yourself and an option to make a call to a recent contact, while swiping up will let you see more of your contacts if you have any. Oh, and you can of course invite people that aren't already using Duo that you have in your contacts. There's also a settings button that'll let you see phone number and data options, but also what Google is calling knock knock, a feature that allows the person you're calling to see your video before they even pick up. And of course the same is true if the other person has it turned on and they call you, you'll see their video before you pick up. I'm not sure how practical or necessary it is, but it is kind of neat. Now, you'll get a couple of basic options once you're in the call, like flipping the camera, muting yourself, and enlarging your camera to make sure you're in the frame, but the real magic happens under the hood with Duo's ability to keep the call going while switching between Wi-Fi and cellular connections. It'll also detect when the connection gets too slow to handle both audio and video, and turn off the video portion of the call to make it an audio call, or disconnect from a weak Wi-Fi signal and use your data. So far, it's been very good at managing a slow connection for me and handing off from one to another. But even as great as Duo has been right from release, it is still lacking things that would make it a true competitor, such as a desktop client, an easy way for tablets to use it, and simultaneous multi-device sign-in. So I guess we'll just have to wait and see if Google can actually make Duo a leading video chat app, or if it'll go the way of Hangouts, which is currently set to have a more business-oriented focus in the future rather than being a consumer product. Anyway, Duo looks pretty promising, and I can't wait to check out Allo once that's released. Duo is currently rolling out to many countries around the world, so just keep an eye out if you're not in the US, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.